Welcome to PPT Genix. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to change color of the font. So firstly, we'll see how to change the color single time or how we can change the color like this or how we can return back to the original color like this or how we can add multiple colors and finally how we can change the color letter by letter. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so let's start. So here I'm going to open a blank slide, okay, and I'm just going to give it a black color. So I'll go to the format background and I'm just going to select the black color. Alright, now we are just going to add the text. So for that I'm just going to insert the text box here and just insert it over here. Change the color of the font to yellow so it is clearly visible. Now we are just going to write. Alright, now let's increase the size of the text. Okay, fine. Now let's give the animation. So for that we'll go to the animation tab. Okay, and if we go to the drop down menu of the animation tab, we'll see that there are so many options. In this there is one option that is known as font color. So we'll go to it and we'll select it. Okay, as soon as we select this animation, there is one option, effect option. Here we can select which color do we want. So for example, from pink, from yellow, if I go to purple, so it goes like this. So this is the first way. This is the easiest way. Now, for the next way, we'll go to the animation pane. Okay. In the animation pane, we'll go to the drop down menu. Here, we'll go to the effect options. Here in the effect option, you can see the style option. So if I click on the style option, so there are so many styles. So either I can select this one or this multiple color like this. Okay. And if I press OK, then see, it changes color like this. Alright. So similarly, now if I go to the drop down menu of the animation pane here, and if I go to the effect options and if I select auto reverse option, okay, so it automatically goes back to the original color. See, like this. Perfect. Alright, now another way by which we can add multiple colors. So for that we'll go to the add animation. Then we are going to add the same animation one more time. Okay, and for this time you can select any other color. So I'll go for blue color, teal. Okay, and for that I am going to go to the drop down menu and I'm going to select start after previous. Okay, I'll show you how does it look. So here perfect. Alright, so this was another way. Now for the same text, if I remove these two animations, okay, and then I select this text box and I'll go here and if I select brush color, okay, and in brush color same way you can choose the color, select the color. I'll go for this green color. Okay, now if you just increase the time to maybe 4 seconds and you just play, so one by one we can change the color of the letters also.